History abounds with tales of hugely tall men and women, but it's only in the past couple of hundred years that we've had medical explanations for the phenomenon. Pituitary gigantism, Marfan syndrome, eunuchoid tallness, Sotos syndrome, and the acromegaly are all conditions that can cause those afflicted to grow beyond the human norm. From Andre the Giant to Eddie Hall, here are top 15 largest humans to ever live. 15. Emmanuel Yarbrough. Emmanuel Yarbrough, the American sumo wrestler who fought in the UFC 3 tournament and gained fame for his massive size and cheery disposition, has died at age 51. Eric Cole of MyMMA News was the first to report the news, which was later confirmed by Dave Meltzer of MMA Fighting, among others. Yarbrough competed in the UFC in 1994 before the implementation of weight classes. He's easily the largest competitor in the promotion's history, tipping the scales at well over 600 pounds. A sumo champion born in Rahway, NJ, Yarbrough faced karate master Keith Hackney in UFC 3. Yarbrough tossed Hackney out of the cage at one point but lost by TKO after Hackney pounded him with scores of unanswered strikes. 14. Sishan. Sishan is in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's tallest living man. He is 2.36 meters tall. The last time he was measured was on January 15 of 2005. On August 7, 2007, Leonid Studnik was measuring and was found to be taller than him. In September of 2005, he made his first trip outside of China to London to visit Guinness World Records. Sishan served in the People's Republic of China Army but got discharged because of rheumatism. He once saved some dolphins' lives by getting pieces of plastic from their stomachs that veterinarians couldn't reach. 13. Sajjad Gharibi. Sajjad Gharibi, a 24-year-old Iranian man who has been dubbed the Iranian Hulk, is taking social media by storm. He has gained more than 100,000 followers who can't help but be amazed by his sheer size. He has taken part in bodybuilding competitions representing his country, according to the Daily Mail. His social posts are not like those of traditional lifters. He mainly shares shirtless pictures in which the size of his muscles is very apparent. 12. Andre the Giant. Andre the Giant had the hormonal disorder acromegaly, which causes the release of excess growth hormone, and in Andre's case resulted in gigantism. His size helped Andre dominate the sport of wrestling in the 1970s and 80s. He made millions, became world famous, and found crossover success in the movie The Princess Bride. Near the end of his career, Andre faced it off with Hulk Hogan in 1987's WrestleMania 3rd. Andre died at the age of 46 in his native France. 11. Alton's history stands with monumental moments, but there are none taller than Alton's very own gentle giant, Robert Wadlow. Like most first-time parents, Harold and Addie Wadlow eagerly awaited the birth of their first child. On February 22, 1918, in a little five-room cottage on Monroe Street, Robert Wadlow was born, weighing on average 8 pounds 6 ounces. Though Robert was not your average infant, by the time he was 6 months old, he weighed nearly 30 pounds. By 18 months, he had reached 67 pounds. 10. Vikas Uppal. Vikas was from the Rohtak district in the Indian state of Haryana. He was photographed for The Hindu on September 25, 2006 at a rally held by the Indian National Lok Dal. He was thought to be 8 feet 9 inches tall, however have been reported otherwise to be an unconfirmed 8 feet 1 inch tall, and was born in 1986. Was most likely that he could grow no further. He could have been considered the world's tallest living man, but the Guinness Book of Records has strict verification criteria, hence didn't measure Vicky. He also had been said to have hands 13 inches long and feet 19 inches long, and appears in photographs to be proportionate, not obviously a pathological giant. He also acted in a Bollywood movie, Rang de Basanti. 9. Lindsay K. Hayward. Lindsay K. Hayward was born in July 28, 1987, in Walnut Creek, California, United States. She's a celebrity actress. She joined movies and TV shows named My Giant Life, R100, and The Internship Games. The parents of Lindsay K. Hayward are Ellen Ronnie Durr, Mike Hayward. Lindsay K. Hayward's height is 6.8. 7. Dalip Singh Rana. Dalip Singh Rana, better known by the ring name The Great Khali, is an Indian-born American professional wrestler, promoter, model, and actor who is best known for his work in WWE. He is also the first Indian to win the World Heavyweight Championship in WWE history. A professional wrestler since 2000, Rana was most notably associated with WWE from 2006 to 2014, where he performed under the name of The Great Khali. Before embarking on his professional wrestling career, he was an officer for the Punjab Police. He has appeared in 4 Hollywood films, 2 Bollywood films, and several television shows. 6. Eddie Hall. Edward Stephen Hall, popularly known as Eddie Hall, is a former British strongman. Eddie Hall won the World's Strongest Man competition in 2017. He is also the only man to have a deadlift of 500 kilograms. He is popularly known as professional strongman. He is an English strongman and actor who has won several titles and appeared in numerous TV shows and films. His Instagram account has around 2.3 million followers. He is the recipient of the World's Strongest Man title in the year 2017. He also received the title of the Strongest Man in the UK in the year 2011. 5. Neil Fingleton. Neil Fingleton, a 7-foot 7-inch actor who played the giant Mag the Mighty in Game of Thrones, has died at 36. The Tall Persons Club says Fingleton, who was Britain's tallest man, died Saturday. British media reported the cause as heart failure. Fingleton was recognized by Guinness World Records in 2007 as the UK's tallest man. Born in Northeast England in 1980, Fingleton told the Guinness Records website in 2006 that "I have always been taller than everyone since I can remember." His height made him a basketball natural. Fingleton played college basketball in the United States for the University of North Carolina and the College of the Holy Cross in Worcester, Massachusetts. 4. Brahim Taqiyullah. Brahim Taqiyullah is the second tallest verified living person. He is also the tallest living person in Morocco. He is 8 feet 1 inch. He met with Sultan Qasim in Italy in March 2012. His rapid growth started when he was 13. In May 2011, he was measured by a French doctor 3 times during the day, standing up and lying down. Brahim spends half the year in Paris and the other half in Morocco. Taqiyullah has the largest feet of the world according to the Guinness Book of Records. 3. Yao Ming. Yao Ming is a Chinese retired professional basketball center and basketball executive. Ming is the currently president of the CBA. He is also president of Chinese Basketball Association. He was selected by Houston as the first overall pick of the 2002 NBA draft and eventually signed with them on October 21, 2002. In his rookie season, he spoke via his interpreter and close friend Colin Pine, although he now speaks without a translator. Yao is regarded as the most dominant player to come out of China. In July 2009, Ming bought his former team Shanghai Sharks. Standing at 2.29 meters tall and weighing 141 kilograms, he was one of the tallest players to ever play in the NBA. 2. Igor Vovkovinsky. Igor Vovkovinsky is not your typical Minnesota man, that's for sure. Born in Ukraine, the boy moved with his parents to the US when he was 7 years old. He required special medical care that simply wasn't available in his homeland. The lad was already 5 feet and 4 inches tall at that time. His condition was caused by a tumor pressing on the pituitary gland, which in turn resulted in the excessive levels of growth hormone. Today, Igor Vovkovsky is officially the tallest living person in the United States. He is now 234.5 centimeters tall. The downside of his condition is that Igor has already had 25 surgeries on his left leg alone. Also, the man constantly experiences horrible pain and has to take pills all the time. Unfortunately, his doctors do not allow him to try the cannabidiol capsules to tackle the pain. 1. Son Ming-min. Son Ming-min is a Chinese former professional basketball player and actor. He is the tallest professional basketball player in the world and was measured by the Guinness World Records as 2.36 meters tall. There is no question Son Ming-min is the most famous and most loved celebrity of all the time. He has a pure, loving, kind-hearted personality. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more interesting videos. Have a nice day!